Hi, this is Molendinarius here from Latinum, and at the moment I'm actually stranded in a Turkish town called Surreme, tea growing area. You can see the tea gardens there on the mountain behind me, and up the valley there are tea factories and lots of trucks driving around carrying lots of bags of tea leaves. So I'm waiting for my e-bike battery to be restored. And while I've been doing that, I've been doing a lot of material at latinum.substack.com. So if you head over there to latinum.substack.com, remember everything there is free, you will find a new conversational Latin interlinear or intralinear course using my usual method, which is to give an introduction, some basic sentences, introduce some basic grammar, then give you a text, analyze that, and then a genre section, which is more formatted as a story or a dialogue or something like that. Also with a conversational slant to it. And you also find there are other areas there I've been working on. If you have a look at the index, there's a lot of new material at latinum.substack.com as I sit here in Surreme waiting for the battery technician to rebuild my e-bike battery. I'm very lucky that I'm here and that I broke down in this place and not on top of a mountain or something. I'm quite close to Georgia. So once it's done, I should be in Georgia within 2 or 3 days, all going well. And then I will settle down and have more time to do audio work. I can't do it here. I'm parked outside a huge machine shop where they're repairing all the tea growing equipment, all the cutters and choppers and things like that. So it's constantly got the noise of motors revving up and revving down. And also there's a motorbike repair shop here that's very active. These guys, they're working like maniacs now. They start at, 7, 8 in the morning, and they are going until 11 o'clock at night. So, because we're in the middle of the harvest season, and all of the machines keep needing sharpening, and they keep breaking. So they have a constant stream of chainsaws and cutters arriving. And there are 4 guys there working flat out all day. So it's a lesson for me, really, how to work hard. So that's where we are. So latinum.substack.com, have a look there. And at the moment, little caravan is parked here and I'm sleeping in it. I've got a tarpaulin over it because I don't have the e-bike, so the caravan produces my electrical power, and I don't need so much power, so I've covered the whole thing up with a tarp to stop it generating power, because I wouldn't know what to do with all of the power without the bike to put the power into, because it has the charger and inverter and another battery inside the caravan. So that's it, and I will keep you updated. If you want to follow my travels, you will find me on Instagram at Carpentoque on Instagram. That's it for now. Latinum.substack.com. Go have a look there. There are lots of nice things to see.